Namaste. Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the topic from the psychology of learner, adjustment. So the term adjustment originates from the biological term adaptation. Biologists use the term adaptation strictly for the physical demand of the environment. But psychologists use the term adjustment for varying condition of social or interpersonal relation in the society. Adjustment means the reaction to the demand and pressure of social environment imposed upon the individual. The demand to which the individual has to react may be external or internal. Psychologists have viewed adjustment from two important perspectives: adjustment as an achievement and adjustment as a process. So, adjustment as achievement means how efficiently an individual can perform his duty under different circumstances. If we perceive adjustment as achievement, we have to set criteria to judge the quality of adjustment. Four criteria have been involved for psychologists to judge the adequacy of adjustment. They are the following: physical health, psychological comfort, work efficiency, and social acceptance. Adjustment as process, observe like it lays emphasis on the process by which an individual adjusts to his external environment. This is important especially from teachers' point of view. Student adjustment largely depends on their interaction with the external environment in which they live. They always try to adjust to it. Piaget has studied the adjustive process from different angles. Psychology Piaget uses the terms assimilation and accommodation to represent the alteration of oneself or environment as a means of adjustment. A person who carries his values and standard of conduct without any change and maintain these in spite of major changes in the social climate is called assimilator. The person who takes his standard from his social context and change his belief in accordance with the altered values of society is called accommodator. In order to adjust successfully in society, a person has to resort to both the devices assimilation and accommodation. Now, there are some characteristics of a well-adjusted person. First, a healthy and well-adjusted person should display some observable behavior pattern. These behavior pattern must be according to the social acceptation of an individual. These patterns are as follows: like maturity in thinking, emotional balance, warm and understanding toward others, free from tension due to routine events, independent in decision making. Elements in adjustment: there are certain prime elements for fulfillment of need necessary for healthy adjustment of a person. They are as follows: satisfaction of need, no obstacle in achieving need, storing motives in realizing need, feasible geographical atmosphere to fulfill needs. So this is all about the elements of the adjustment. I hope students you understood well this lecture. Thank you.